Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to Orange Hut. Quick question for you. Have you ever thought about processing pistachios into cream? Well, we're going nuts today. Not literally, but yeah. You know what I mean? I have something absolutely delicious to share with you today. Pistachio cream. And guess what? You only need a handful of ingredients, so stick around until the end to see how mine turns out. And we'll be done in just about 2 minutes. This is perfect for beginners, and this is my first time trying this out as well, so let's get cracking. All right, here's what you'll need. Shelled pistachios, a bit of sugar, a splash of vanilla extract, and some vegetable oil. That's it. Yep, no fancy ingredients, just simple stuff you probably already have at home. First things first, grab your pistachios and toss them into a food processor. We're going to blitz these until they're nice and finely ground, almost like a powder. Remember, don't rush it. Let the machine do the work for you. Next, we're adding a little sugar for sweetness and a splash of vanilla extract to boost the flavor. Trust me, these simple ingredients are going to take this pistachio cream to the next level. Maybe even to the level after that level. Just give it another whiz until everything's well combined. Now, the magic ingredient, vegetable oil. Pour it in slowly while blending. Start with a little and add more as you go to get that perfect creamy consistency. Want it thicker? Use less oil. Creamier? Add a bit more. Easy peasy. Now the best part is putting your final touches and serving, and voila! You've just made your very own pistachio cream in under 5 minutes. It's perfect for spreading on toast, adding to desserts, or just eating straight out of the jar. I won't judge. Store it in an airtight container and it'll stay fresh in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Now tell me that's not amazing. If you love this quick and easy recipe, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tasty recipes that anyone can make. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Orange Hut. Keep it nutty.